Hello, madam. Yeah, I'm Pasha Miwafikiku. Yeah. Oh, okay, then me change.
Hello. Good afternoon. Jermaine.
Elizabeth, hey, Ebola.
Do you mind if I sit by you for a second? Do you remember my name?
Jermaine.
Jermaine.
Oh, okay.
And you are?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Wow. If I may ask, what are you doing here?
I'm waiting for someone.
Pachonya will try. Yes, like me, Pesami Shisha, near we and Nadia. But who you are, you're a very pretty girl.
Thanks.
What do you do? Like as far as work?
Jobless.
Ade. Anyway, me so me bahana nyeboni me pese anka. I just want to establish some business here in Ghana, right? And me pese me say be me to me see hotel. Me pese me into hananka me for her NC half of this part NC hotel. Into me pese anka I'm waiting for the owner of the place nanka me ink and casa nadia.
Oh, okay. Now what workers in?
No, I'm waiting for the owner of the place, not the workers.
Oh, okay.
But what course do you offer in school?
Hotel management.
What boy mommy be ye? No ba boy me mommy be ye wa ho. Ah? Who catch him say me ma remember? Me ma remember. Sana who catch me go fi sana wo tie. Sana wo tie.
No so ko mama ho, wo tete fia ha ye de.
Me tete ha ye de ha.
Ha wo ye de.
Wo tumi mi sa me sa. Efi a wo kwa wo de a.
Efi wo na wo si ye, wo sika wo mbi. Wo ba ware na fie na si wo.
Enti me ye me sese no. Me ye me sese no. Efi e nya me no de a. Ana wo ka si eja ya ware na efi e ye becha mienu ke e be kan room si ni nya me se me bisa sa wo na wo se.
So dia mu ni wo ya no no.
Wo se me ma remember no ho. No na wo tete mi a wo ma me da bia me nyem ana do ba yie na wo de asi me so. Na do ba yie no wa tete na wo de tete me na nkola yi awuo. Nya wa. Ha? Kofi. Ah, la Yesu. Ye me hu ma me hu bibi. Wo ni suban kra wo Kofi. Wo ni suban wo. Wo kwa hene fa. Wo kwa hene fa. Kofi wo kwa yi.
So say na no dia.
Me dia. Ai bye bye. Bye bye. Wo be catch me say me ma remember. Na boy we me nim say san what kra kama hwale no.
Kofi my hand. Kofi. Hey, na dia na ba branch esu. Hey. Boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hotel management?
Yeah.
Wow. Young couple, you're one dear pal. Actually, I think we can work together. I need someone who's going to be very faithful, punctual, and keep everything straight. If you can do all that, the uncle with me out, yeah, we can really go for as far as business is concerned. What I say? How far will you be to me?
Come here, Bawa. Kokuvi, what are you doing?
Hello.
I don't know what please take me. I don't know.
Excuse me. Do you know her?
I should excuse you. Kokuvi, who name?
Pacho, you're from Kokuvi.
My friend was saying.
You're from Jermaine.
Jermaine.
Miss Obi.
Hey, please.
Miss hey, come on. Madam Pacho, maybe I miss Obi near me.
I don't mistake him for someone else, Anna. He's Jermaine, not Kokuvi.
And then go down my bar. What's the meaning of my bar?
Pacho.
Wait. Excuse me, let me talk. Wait.
You're doing a big mistake, madam.
Madam,
you're doing a big
Shut
mistake.
Up.
Me, Pacho. Uneme.
Hey,
madam.
Me houseboy.
No. God damn. Me houseboy.
Madam, not there. Also, name.
Madam. Pacho Pawai. It might be a shared mistake.
Yeah.
I can forgive you though, but me Pacho.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Hey, be to me any of my power. Me saw Miss Houseboy. What an insult, man.
I catch any say what when you walk on.
Once a man for Yetia, no Kumasu Yetia intention of Yanyamadu, but I don't even know her. Anyway, Mommy, 1 minute, why? I really have to clarify this because this is the second time I'm having such an encounter. Airports cry, no, busy me so big, but I don't know. Just give me a minute. I'll be with you soon.
Whatever.
Mama, to go far. Mama, glass ya boy will have cow. What you fancy?
Never understand it.
Mama, whatever chance. Hey.
When you money.
Mama, dear.
You see when you Sam said, dear Baya.
Oh,
maybe no Tifiano, when Johnny Miricasso, man who baby out fire, me boy.
Mama, there be messing up a fire, I'm a fire.
Who be fire, dear? And I will cry me.
We're fire, dear.
I just want to woman your mouth. Now, me, my coffee free hospital about a transit. Now we won't talk. And the word Drew has said, me boy.
Mama, the fact I miss me the fire, dear. What
the fire didn't I
Asama Kofi. Asama Kofi can't tell me, Mamma, was say, men are my remember.
Why are they?
And Palana me warm, I mean, now warm. I am me, I may beg you.
What now,
was so come. Remember, you're a real man.
Mamma, was catch now said, dear, Tina Honamo. So I bet you won't make us answer me. We didn't achieve by one. What was that when a wood chief shall walk on your warrior? Was soon take us a glass say. I bet my will, I didn't know one who be that. I didn't know who be that. I didn't know who be that.
Mamma, trying
to be sure now what she affirms to say, and the papa be me muno. Won't mummy, I miss me muno. But in your free walk, a free walk, and Yashi and that's what trap. Me kwa kwa family ya makakraba na mwana wako. Mimi na kwa kujawa ya nasa mwani ba kujawa.
Mama, wo de ja, me se me nwale bio. Me na me de me ho, e by force. Me kwa sisa me ya makakraba. Because chire me de ka ba ba sisa ya. Anko ya.
I wouldn't make to come. I just say who be me ma wo tra sentina. E de anko na be ma wo de ayewo. Me do be ko pai ba na baby kun na ko fini do akose. Free hono. Na ti me na. A man na ya baby. A man na and I would dear plenty san what it he was. Ade. You are coming to my head. One understand the what I was yes, I want to help you. I tell my mother sister my name.
No.
Now only me.
Only
me.
Coco
Nonsense. Me pa wana me no cause I dey na only. Get out from my face. Free me go.
Who dey 1 minute? Hey, Nash. Oh, Debbie.
What's the problem?
Madam.
Excuse me.
Tony Montana.
Excuse me.
Are you okay, honey?
I'm coming. Yeah, I'm okay.
Hey. Nash, Tony Montana. Chale, I was saying you. I said me will be you. Ah, Oba no smoke no. I don't want any surprises, so.
Kokuvi, me.
Madam,
that was it.
Madam, I dare so, Madam. Nika be a manya wo ha mbidi yam banchin. Sesi akra, Madam. Mawari too, unjindi. Ababa no chese chingom. Mawari too, bakuton yakayaka. Bakusa to agrikakro. Chese business no ko. Madam, nti me ba akra mbe hwe we chakwan. I saw say Uncle Bessa ajimu fio na nka menye ejuma ma.
Hey! Wait. Unu de obe. Sense na meji wo. Ye double. Double. Obe
Madam.
Double. Platform. Ma wo sisi platform. Bongo.
Madam, me for
no, who are you? I confirm. Okay, I confirm.
Madam, we dey Mr. Ominye be Madam Jimmy why? Your mom why there?
Me do one. No bet you.
Madam, oh, Madam, why there? Class spy. color spy. Color spy, Madam Pacho. Madam.
You know who you color spy them.
Madam Pacho.
Where color spy on? Might not be smart.
Madam Pacho.
Fuck you.
Oh, Madam, you have to tell mommy.
Don't worry.
Madam.
I know what I will do.
Madam, this is out here.
Huh?
This is out here.
Let me tell you. And then I'll be able to
say, my baby, you, Mama.
obey Mama. I'll grab a gun and away me, Mama. Won't pepper my papa one.
Madam.
Younger. Or be away in me.
Madam, would you say, Madam, told you be 80? Would your mammy train why we are not?
Mikuna, Osametra, Tony Montana, Nash.
Madam.
Tony Held, who is having no bit on. If you have good mind or you are sensitive.
Madam,
you are who are here.
Madam,
that you don't answer for Tony Montana of Nash.
Madam, Madam, would you make some Madam Pacho?
Let her come and see.
Madam, make sure I want to why. But I remember, baby, I doubt.
Excuse me.